Location privacy. This is, if you like location as much as I do, then this is something to be aware of. Since it is a privacy issue and Google has to be very concerned about privacy, whenever you share a photo or an album of photos, the location is stripped by default. So if you just share a photo, the person you are sending that photo to cannot see the location. If you want them to, there is a way. So I want to show you that. Oh, for on the screen there, see where it says people in this conversation can't see the photo's location. You can see it because you're looking at your photo. So it puts this notice up to let you know that the people who you sent it to can't see the location unless you turn that back on. So let me show you what I mean. And I'm going to use my Italy. A lot of you saw our Italy album. So let me explain by using the Italy album. Here's our Italy trip. I've shared it with lots of people. If I go open a photo and swipe up to see the location, I see the location. That was in Naples. But I get this message. People in this album can't see this photo's location. And this can be turned on and off and on and off. So if you're saying, wait a minute, I followed the Italy album and I was able to see location, that's because I had it on. I have since turned it back off because that's the default. Let me show you how I would turn it back on. And that is with the album open, you tap on the three dots and options. And there it is, share photo location. Turn that on and voila. If any of you now have that album to look at, and if I swipe up, the message no longer appears that people can't see the location, and you can see the location. But wait, there's more. Jim also put some photos in here. Let me find one. Okay, so here's a photo that Jim put in. And I swipe up.
What a good looking picture, too.
I swipe up and there is no map. Now I know that he's capturing locations. So I can't force his location to show up, even though I am the owner of the album. He's the owner of the photos. So let me show you. Where's your phone?
Right here.
Give me your phone. I know.
This makes me nervous. I don't like giving her my phone.
He doesn't like to do that. No. But I will show you that album from his side. You know, I'm the owner of the album, but he contributed pictures. So I go to Google Photos, go to sharing, and there is the Italy album. And if I tap the three dot menu from his phone, there is also an options and to share photo location, and his is off. So location sharing is off by default. If you never touch anything, nobody's going to see locations. If you want it, you have to find where that setting is and turn it on. And the last thing is not an album. What if you just shared photos in what's called a conversation? So if I go to sharing and I scroll down here, there's these other things. I'll bet you Jalen is online. Jalen and I have shared photos. So here is the conversation. A conversation you can tell because it's a round circle over there rather than the square, which is an album. I tap on Jalen. Here are pictures. I tap on the picture, swipe up, and it tells me people in this conversation can't see this photo's location. Well, that's not nice. I want her to see the location. And boy, is this hidden. What you do is tap up here at the top where it has her name and the little arrow. An arrow indicates there's more. There's something else going on here. And now I have options. And there is share photo location. So just if locations are important to you, this is something to know that you have to turn it on when you share.